Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. In this session, we are going to discuss about right join or right outer join in SQL Server. The right join returns all rows from the right table departments along with the matching rows from the left table employees. If there are no matching rows in the left table, null values are written from the columns from left table. Okay, SQL right join syntax, vice versa for left right outer join. It's a right outer join. Okay, example, we are going to create these two tables, employees and departments, same tables, and we are going to insert the sample data to the tables, and we will see by using the right join how it comes. Now that we have our table set up, once set up, let's perform a right join to retrieve all departments along with their corresponding employee names, including department names with no employees. Okay, let's go ahead and see the create tables and insert the data and check some examples. Use training for us. Okay, in one go. Okay, see, we got 3 rows. Right join, right join 3 rows. See, what are the not matching values? We will get the null values. If it is matching, all the matching values we will get without null values. Okay, that is the difference. Drop table employees. Okay, why we have two employees? Okay, let's drop table and create and insert the data. Okay, 4 rows and 3 rows. This is same. We will get right join with tables and null values for not matching values in the left table. In this query, the right join keyword is used to return all rows from department table along with matching rows from employees table based on the department column. If there are no match found in the employees table for particular department, the corresponding columns from employees will contain as a null values, right? See, department for the employees, we got a null values for that particular department. So that is the difference between it's a vice versa for left join and right outer join. And let's check the data in adventure works for sample data, how it will give. See, right join, it's matching records with table and it's giving the result. Let me show you the results, what we have the data in the tables, so that you will get clear idea. Okay, this is the product table, 504 rows we have. So let's start from product category. See, here we have only 4. That is the reason it's giving 4 records, 4 matching records. Okay. This is about right join. If you have any questions, please drop a comment in comment section. And if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.